3, 2, 1.
Fishing. Finally nagpakita na. What's going on YouTube? What's up? Fisherman again at your service. Today we're gonna be fishing, try to fish in right TDM Point. My session over there is really good. I say it's good fishing because I catch something, you know. But today we're gonna try again. So just tune in, all right? I'll see you on the spot. All right, let's go. Today we're gonna be taking number 15 parking. Alright, here you go. Here at the spot, mga ka-share. So let's get our setup. It looks like it's gonna be raining a little bit. I mean, still raining a little bit, but we're still gonna go fishing. Alright, cool. So here we go, mga ka-share. We're gonna start fishing. We're taking this number 15 spot. Yung gamit po natin, our rig is gonna be floated weight with a 10-pound leader. 10-pound po yan kasi naputol yung 4-pound natin last time. And then 20-pound braided line. And gonna be using our Sahara reel today. And then the crazy rod. Yan, 9.6 feet yan, and then Sahara reel. Alright, let's go. We'll see if we can catch something. Alright, what's this? Oh, free weights, mga ka-share. Somebody left this, or we get snagged. Start this at, mga ka-share. Got carried by the weight, by the waves. So kung yan, 3 weights, tapos merong basta na yung yan, squid lure. So kunin natin ito, mga ka-share. Then what you're gonna do with this line is just cut it. And there you go. Nobody can tangle it down. There you go. We're here at the spot. Strike casting over here, mga ka-share. See if there's something biting. Quick casting. And then we're gonna go that area over there after this.
Crabby. What's up, crab? Oh, you're friendly. Very friendly. Bottom. Here's a man.
on. Ano kaya to? Fish on. Grouper. Ayan o, honeycomb. Maliit. Honeycomb grouper mga kasya. Maliit lang. Ayan, release. Release siya. Lit-lit mga kagat. Palakin mo na lang yan. So, nakita yung small fish na tayo mga kasya. Kita yung release. Just release. Catch mo. So, we have reached our first stop mga ka-share. But unfortunately, we only catch a grouper, small one, and we're not trying to keep a small one today. So catch and release small one today. I'm just planning to bring home good sized fish if there's anything that bites. So we'll be so I've noticed there's not a little good bite on a 10-pound leader. So I'm planning to change my rig to 4-pound setup. See how that one goes. So yeah, and then we'll be using a Lutak lure later. Alright. Anyhow, let's keep on going. So I saw a couple of people fishing over there, that area on a reef. We tried fishing on a reef, but there's no bite. So this is our first stop right now, and we'll try to spot over here. Okay, good luck to me. All right, cool. Yun, wala. Nothing mga ka-share. Lipat tayo dun, oh. Doon tayo. We'll try. Tawid po tayo dito mga kasya. Gandaan. Sena plus. Yun, sick. Sick. Doon siya, no? Bakit madalas? Tinawid po natin yan dyan. Tingnan natin kung may kakagat dito. Okay. Time check po, 9:47. 9:47 ng umaga. Okay. New spot. Hindi pa po tayo nakakarating sa, we didn't reach the spot yet. First time. We'll try. See if there's any fish in there. Ito yung resort. Lampasan daw natin to. And then sabi nila fish will get a bite. May resort pala dito. Ano kaya mapunta dyan? May daan siguro dyan. Uy. Uy. Come on. Stone. Uy, malaki to. Uy. Sumabit. Sumabit. What's this? Wait. Sumabit. Come on. Uy. Emperor fish. Yeah, we got the emperor fish. Sinapit lang tayo. Hell yeah. There you go. Emperor. First time nakahuli ng ano, emperor in itong spot. Sisisid ka pala ha. Yun. Keep natin to. Yan mga kasyal, emperor fish. Okay, first catch. A little lizard. Uy, ito ko sa bilis. Alright, that's it mga ka-share. That's it, pansit. So maybe next time we get lucky. No luck today. Only one grouper and one emperor fish, and that's it. So maybe next time again, get lucky over here. Try again next time. Alright, peace. Jet mga ka-share, somebody gave me a fish already. Nice. She said it's a good paksiw. So time check po mga ka-share is 8:03 in the morning, but so somebody gave me this. It's a lot of fish already. So I don't even know if I want to fish anymore, because he said this is a good paksiw. There you go. It's a good paksiw fish. Plenty. fishing. I didn't even start to fish yet, but somebody gave me a fish. So that's a good day. Thank you for that guy. He's tried to catch something else, but he gave me the rest. So thank you, appreciate it. Shout out to you, whoever you are. Didn't catch your name, but thank you, appreciate it. All right, cool, let's start fishing. Rock and roll. Today we'll be using a popper, mga ka-share. We'll try to use this. We'll test it over here. All right. Forget what size is this, but it's what is this? You can read it. Pumpkin, 30 kilogram. Yeah, so there you go. Try to use this. All right, and then our Daiwa casting rod, 96 medium 4, and then the Sahara reel. There you go. We'll try to go out there, out in the reef, try casting, you know. We'll follow that guy over there, whoever that is, but it's not so wavy, so I'm expecting it should be fine to go outside. So we'll try. I'm gonna be fishing with the JMC Fishing today, so I'll be waiting on him. I said it's gonna be late a little bit, but we'll meet him over here. So yeah, try our luck today with the popper. All right, cool. And then maybe later we'll doing pencil. All right, mga ka-share, see you out there. Go, first cast. Merong kumagat, mga ka-shell. Oh my god, something biting in there. It is, but something nice. Let's get it on. Change po tayo ng pencil, mga ka-share. Pencil rig. Yesterday we tried using a lutak lure over there, but we only catch an emperor fish. So this is the continuation of that event. But we're gonna try to be careful over here because it's slippery. Yeah, very nice. Very nice cage system. Yeah, we haven't pictured that one yesterday. Try to navigate this side. Oop. Hopefully they don't pack up my... Uy! Try not to get that one get ripped. I think it's gonna be what's his name? Balong JMC Fishing Companion. But yeah, we'll head over there while casting, and then I'll turn it on when there's a bite. Alright mga ka-share, let's get it on. A little low tide right now mga ka-share. Successful navigation over there. Try to head over there after like 30 more minutes of casting, and then yeah, and then we head home. We're just gonna try if there's something biting in there. Alright, cool. There you go. I saw Chris over there on shout out to him, and then haven't seen Balong. Maybe it's hard for him to wake up tonight because he worked last night. But anyway, shout out to you, JMC Fishing. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If I catch something, I'll turn on the video again, but if not, I think this is it. Alright, fish on. What's going on YouTube? Fisherman here again. So short introduction, we're heading fishing today in Serena Beach. So we just bought our bait. Today we're gonna be over, yeah, we bought our bait in there. But anyhow, we're gonna try bottom rigging today, right? We'll be using a squid bait. So this is the bait that we've been using. It's a good bait. So I like this ever since I using this one. Excuse me. Ever since I've been using this one, I've been having good bites. Okay, so if you want to try it out, try it, you know. But anyway, we're gonna start heading now to our location. Hopefully yesterday I fished also at Waitidian Point, but just wait for my my video to be posted online on YouTube. But that'll be a good video too. So that's gonna be the next, and then we're gonna try to make a video again today. Yesterday we trying to tag along with JMC Fishing, but that didn't happen because he's got a little busy. So today we're gonna tag along with him. Hopefully I can fish with him today. So that's one of our viewers, but JMC Fishing, shout out to you. Hopefully I can see you on the spot. All right, without further ado, let's get it on the road. All right, not on the grass, because the grass, you can get slip on the grass when you park in there. So even if you have a truck, so be careful when to park or where to park, okay, because it can get slippery. And then we have a guy one time park over there on that. Oh no, he backed up in there on the grass, but he kept on slipping, and then they ended up pulling him on that part, because he cannot go back up, get stuck in there. So make sure you don't park in there when you fishing over here. Park on somewhat you know, you can use your instinct, you know, park on somewhere you can, you know, you can get out. All right, so far I've been parking over here, never had a problem on this where I'm at right now. So just be careful when you fish over here. Also, like on the water, there's rough waves sometimes, so parking and then rough waves, so that's one thing you need to pay attention over here. All right, let's get it on. Let's get our stuff. Cool. Yun, dito na po tayo sa spot, mga ka-share. So cast na natin yung first rod natin. Alright, pakita ko lang yung rod ko real quick. Set up natin. So ayan, Citadel po yan, medium heavy action, 10 feet, 20 to 40 pound mono. We're using a braid which is 30 to 65 pound braid. So Citadel po, mumurahin lang po yan. It's a cheap rod. And then we're using I believe this 40 pound or 50 pound braided line. And then we're using the pen reel. What's this? I believe it's 5,000 pen. Yan, 5,000 pen, medyo faded na. So pen reel setup. Alright, and then we're using bottom rig setup, X-Angler. Yan, and then we're using red beads and glow beads, and then I believe this 50 pound fluoro. So let's try that one. Alright, cool. Gas na po natin yan, mga ka-share. Let's get it on.
Three, two, one.
See mga ka-share, maputi, and then hook na hook, oh. It's not even 5 seconds. We already got one. There you go, mga ka-share. Fish on. Hell yeah, we're on the Not too big, but it's really a good size already. Okay. May bite na kagad mga kasil. Alright, I'll let you see a good look over here, over this. Take a good look. Okay. We already have a emperor fish. Oh, there's another bite. Bye. So, gas natin tong pangalawang rod mga kasya. Ayun si Palong. Dumating na si JMC Fishing. So we'll fish together till night. Alright, cool. So habang naghihintay mga ka-sir, mag-casting po muna tayo. We're using this casting rod. And then the worm lure. Let's do it. So this next say 4000 XG. Oh no, this Nasky reel 4000 XG, 10-pound monoline, and then 6-pound leader, fluoro leader. Let's try this while waiting on the bite over there on my right. And check. There's a small fishy in here. Let's see if we can hook up with something. I can hear the bell anyway. If there's something good biting, I will hear the bell, hopefully. Alright, let's try it on. Sometimes there's like what do you call that? Fish that isolated in here. Casting always on the Malwood. Minsan may kasamang trebali yan eh. Ha? Oo. Wala eh. Wala. Lumulubog lang yan sa ilalim. Para lang doon sila. May gumalaw eh.
Hindi na kanina. Wala na makita
kung nilalapitan. Diyan lang sila tumatambay bro. Ito. Yan. Paikot-ikot lang sila dyan. Makikita mo yan dyan pag nandun ka. Yung sa batong yan. Minsan nandiyan sila yun. Oo. Doon ako naghahagis eh. Tapos nakikita ko sila dito. Para hindi against sa light. Pero ingat ka lang, ano doon, matalim ang bato, tsaka madulas. Sige bro, balik ako doon, baka ilahin yung ano ko eh. Ewan ko mga ano yan. Samahan na natin ngayon. Baka hilain. Catch and clean mga kasya. Nalisan po natin to. Nagabi na tayo mga kasi. Let's try this. Tinamad na sila oh. Nakuha pa akong pang ano, beats. Maganda siguro to. Oh, I got you. Si JMC pala, fishing. Kasama natin today. Picture mo na bro. Para ano, pwede ba?
Oh, pwede.
Ayun. Yan si JMC Fishing. Finally nagpakita na. Alright mga ka-share, see you next time.